based on types of chemical reaction. Before starting these experiments, I want to tell you about chemical reaction. Did you know what is chemical reaction? You know, the process in which one or more substances that are known as reactants. One or more substances like A and B that are reactants convert into one or more new substances that are called product. This process is known as chemical reaction. For example, when we burn magnesium ribbon in the presence of oxygen, it converts into another new substance, that is magnesium oxide. These two substances are known as reactants. What are reactants? Those substances which participate in chemical reaction, these are known as reactants, and newly formed substance, it is known as product. Means substance which is formed during any process, it is known as product. Another example, when burning of wood, when carbon react with oxygen to give carbon dioxide, this is also another example of chemical reaction. Okay, then we will discuss about types of chemical reaction. There are mainly 4 types of chemical reaction. First one is combination reaction. Second one is decomposition reaction. And third one is displacement reaction. And last, next one is what? It is double displacement reaction. Now, I am going to explain all these types of reaction one by one. Firstly, I am telling about combination reaction. What is combination reaction? As you know that, what is the meaning of combination? What is the meaning of combination? Two substances combine. Means reaction in which two reactants combine to give single product. A and B, these two reactants combine to form single product. This is type of which reaction? Combination reaction. For example, reaction of calcium oxide, which is also known as quicklime, with water to give calcium hydroxide, which is also known as slag lime. This is the example of combination reaction. Here A, that is calcium oxide, B, that is water, react with each other to form calcium hydroxide. So this is the example of combination reaction. Then next, second type of reaction, it is decomposition reaction. What is the meaning of decomposition? What is the Decomposition means breakdown. Breakdown of, in such type of reaction, single reactant breakdown into two or more products. You know, this is the opposite of this combination reaction. For example, heating of ferrous sulfate. On heating this ferrous sulfate, it change into FeSO4 plus H2O. This is the example of decomposition reaction. On further heating, this ferrous sulfate further breaks down into Fe2O3, that is ferric oxide, SO2, that is sulfur dioxide, and another, that is sulfur trioxide. So this is the example of decomposition reaction. In such type of reaction, single reactant break down into two or more products. The next, third type of reaction, it is what? Displacement reaction. What is the meaning of displacement? When one thing displaces another thing from its position. This is displacement. In such type of reaction, more reactive matter displaces less reactive matter from its aqueous solution. More reactive matter like iron, it displaces copper from copper sulfate solution and convert into what? This is FeSO4 and plus Cu. This is the example of which type of reaction? Displacement reaction. In the color of this copper sulfate is blue, and after this reaction, this process, this blue color copper sulfate change into green color iron sulfate. So this is the example of what? Displacement reaction. And last, fourth type of reaction, it is double displacement reaction. In this type of reaction, exchange of ions takes place. Means two compounds, for example, sodium sulfate, one compound, it is in aqueous state, and another compound, that is barium chloride, it is also in aqueous state. When these two compounds are mixed together, then what we observe, what will happen? It change into BaSO4 and NaCl. In such type of reaction, exchange of ions takes place. Here two ions are there, Na plus and SO4 2 minus ion, and here also Ba2 plus NCl minus ions. And you know, in this product, Ba combined with sulfate anion and Na combined with chloride anion and give new product. And you know, this compound is water soluble and this one is water insoluble, and that is why we observe white precipitate of this barium sulfate. In this reaction, since we observe white precipitate of barium sulfate, that is why it is also known what? Precipitation reaction. This double displacement reaction is also known as what? Precipitation reaction. Since in this type of reaction precipitate is formed, that is why it is also known as precipitation reaction. Okay. Now I am going to perform all these experiments, all this type of reaction, by doing experiment. First I am going to perform experiment for which reaction? First reaction, that is what? Combination reaction. For this combination reaction, I am taking two substances, that is, for this combination reaction I am taking two substances. One, it is calcium oxide. You can see on your screen this calcium oxide, and another, it is water. First, take one test tube and add this calcium oxide powder. You can see what is the color of this calcium oxide. It is white color substance. And after taking this calcium oxide powder in test tube, you have to add water through this calcium oxide. You can see one solution is obtained. This is what? Calcium hydroxide. Listen, in combination reaction, calcium oxide, this is what? It is known as quicklime. By adding water, it converts into calcium hydroxide. It is also known as slacked lime. And if you can touch this test tube, you feel this test tube becomes hot. Why? Because in this process, amount of heat is released. This is the chemical equation for the combination reaction. These two are reactants. After reaction, it converts into single product. Since in this reaction, two reactants combine to form single product, that is why it is known as combination reaction. And since in this reaction, heat is released, such type of process is also called exothermic process. What is exothermic process? You know, process in which heat is released, that is known as exothermic process. So this is the example of both the reaction, combination reaction as well as exothermic process. Okay. Then next experiment I am going to perform for which reaction? Second type of reaction, that is decomposition reaction. I have already told you what is the meaning of decomposition. Decomposition means breakdown, and in such type of reaction, single reactant break down into two or more products. For this reaction, take one test tube and add in this test tube. This test tube should be dry now. This test tube should be dry, and then add one substance. This is ferrous sulfate crystal, and as you can see, what is the color of this ferrous sulfate? It is green color. And then take test tube holder and heat it. Heat this test tube. You observe carefully. What you observe? You observe some water vapors seen on the wall of the test tube, and after some time, color of this compound change. Color of this compound turn from green to somehow white color, and then now it turns into brown color substance. Brown color substance. This brown color substance, you can see clearly why it is so. Why the color of green color ferrous sulfate change into brown color substance? Because of chemical reaction. In this reaction, firstly, this ferrous sulfate FeSO4 having 7 water molecule of crystallization. First, on heating, this green color substance change into white color substance, that is ferrous sulfate, and some water vapor you had observed during this process, this reaction, and after some time this white color ferrous sulfate change into brown color substance, that is what? This is ferric oxide. And if you observe carefully, some you can see on the wall of this test tube some water vapors are there, and you can also observe, you can see some gases are evolved. If you can observe, you can see this experiment, then you will observe some gases are evolved and these gases are two gases. These are two gases named as sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Okay. Since in this reaction this single reactant break down into three products named as ferric oxide, that is a brown color substance, and two colorless gases, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. So this is the example of which reaction? Decomposition reaction. Then next, now I am going to explain third type of reaction, that is displacement reaction. In such type of reaction, one metal which is more reactive, it displaces another metal from its salt solution which is less reactive. In this reaction, iron is more reactive than copper. It displaces copper from copper sulfate solution and change into ferrous sulfate substance and copper. You know students, the color of copper sulfate is blue and the color of ferrous sulfate is green. And now I am going to perform this experiment. First, take one test tube and this is copper sulfate. Take small amount of copper sulfate. As you can see, this is blue color substance. This is blue color substance. And then add some amount of water, little amount of water in it, and then dissolve. You can see, you observe we obtain this blue color solution of copper sulfate, and after preparation of this copper sulfate blue color solution, drop iron nail. This is iron nail in this test tube. This experiment need at least 3-4 hours for the completion of this reaction. So after 3-4 hours, I will show you this experiment. Now I am going to explain last type of reaction. This is fourth reaction. It is double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. In this type of reaction, exchange of ions takes place. Means two reactants having ions, when they react with each other, by exchange of ions, they convert into new substance. For example, sodium sulfate, that is Na2SO4, react with barium chloride, that is BaCl2, change into barium sulfate and sodium chloride. You know, this barium sulfate, it is water insoluble and is white color substance, reaction. Precipitation reaction, because in this reaction precipitate is formed. Now I am going to perform this experiment. First, take one test tube, add small amount of this sodium sulfate, which is white color substance. You can see this is white color substance. Then pour little amount of water in it and prepare solution. Since this sodium sulfate is water soluble, so after dissolving this sodium sulfate in water, we obtain clear solution of this sodium sulfate. You can see we obtain clear solution of sodium sulfate. Okay. Then next, take another test tube. And take small amount of barium chloride. You can see this is also white color substance. You can see here this is also white color substance. And then pour little amount of water in it also and shake it. Prepare solution of this barium chloride in water. And you know, this barium chloride is also water soluble, so we obtain clear solution of barium chloride. Means now we have two test tubes. Test tube A having sodium sulfate, this water soluble substance, it is a clear sodium sulfate solution. And another test tube, this is barium chloride, it is also clear solution of barium chloride because it is water soluble. And you observe carefully this experiment. When we mix both these solution of both these compounds, you observe what? You observe this white color substance, white precipitate. This white precipitate, this white insoluble substance that is known as precipitate, it is of what? Barium sulfate. And since this barium sulfate is water insoluble, and you know this sodium chloride is water soluble, this is water soluble, so it is not observed in this test tube. You observe only mainly what? White precipitate of barium sulfate. In this reaction, exchange of ions takes place. Sodium cation exchange this barium cation and change into sodium chloride, and this barium cation exchange by sodium cation to form sodium chloride, barium sulfate. This is the last type of reaction, that is what? Double displacement reaction. Okay. Now quick review of this all these 4 experiments, 4 reactions, 4 chemical reactions. Number 1, first one is what? Combination reaction. Now I am going to recapitulate this topic, that is types of chemical reaction. There are mainly 4 types of chemical reaction. Number 1, combination reaction. In this type of reaction, 2 reactants combine to form single product. This is the example of this reaction. Quicklime react with water to give single product calcium hydroxide. This is quicklime. The next type of reaction, this is decomposition reaction. In this type of reaction, single reactant break down into 2 or more products. This is the example of this reaction. In this reaction, green color ferrous sulfate solution on heating change into firstly change into white color substance, that is ferrous sulfate, and after further heating this ferrous sulfate it change into brown color substance, which is ferric oxide, and the color is 2 gases, sulfur dioxide and the sulfur trioxide. Then next, third type of reaction, this is displacement reaction. In this type of reaction, more reactive metal displace less reactive metal from its salt solution. This is the example of this reaction. In this reaction, this iron is more reactive than copper, so it displaces copper from copper sulfate solution and change into ferrous sulfate, which is green color now, and copper it is formed. Then last type of reaction, this is double displacement reaction and is also known as precipitation reaction. In this reaction, exchange of ions takes place. In this reaction, aqueous solution of 2 substances, when they react with each other to give 2 new products, out of these 2 new products, one product is insoluble in water, so we obtain precipitate, and since in this reaction sodium sulfate after reaction with barium chloride it gives white precipitate barium sulfate, so it is also known as precipitation reaction. And in this reaction exchange of ions takes place. Exchange of ions takes place, that is why it is what known as double displacement. Exchange of double ions takes place, that is why it is also known as double displacement reaction. And since this is the example of this experiment, displacement reaction, it will take more time. So after 4-5 hours I will give its result, what you observe, what you will observe. Okay, thank you. Now this is the result of displacement reaction which I performed. You can see here the color of solution change from this blue color copper sulfate to light green color ferrous sulfate solution. This is the first observation of this displacement reaction, and the color of this iron nail change this iron color to reddish brown color of copper. It means in this reaction, since iron is more reactive than copper, that is why it displays copper from this copper sulfate solution and change into this light green ferrous sulfate solution and iron nail converted into reddish brown color copper. Thank you.